It's time for you to learn the suggested formats in research context. So we have here the title, Relationship between Height and Long Jump Performance. And then the description, Table 3 shows the significant relationship between the height and long jump performance. The Pearson's correlation coefficient, small letter r, and the p-value together with the corresponding description, interpretation, and decision are also presented. So this is the name of the table. Table 3, relationship between height and long jump performance. So this is the resulting table, okay, in our previous video. So next thing to consider is how to discuss this, how to interpret. So when you interpret Pearson's correlation, okay, first thing to consider is, of course, the values included in the table should be mentioned. So let's see. Okay, let's have the first statement. As presented in table 3, okay, Pearson product moment correlation, you can mention the statistical tool used, revealed a significant relationship, okay, between respondents' height and long jump performance. Okay, so this is mentioned, this is mentioned. P is equal to 0.005. Okay, this is mentioned. Less than 0.05. And then let's continue with the next statement. Hence, the null hypothesis, okay, this one is rejected. Okay. And then after that, okay, moreover, okay, third statement, the value of R, which is equal to 0.706, okay, this one, indicates a high positive correlation. So it is high based on the value of R, it's positive based on the sign, okay? And then consider implication of this. Okay, so one simple implication. Okay, this implies that taller individuals tend to achieve longer jump distances since we considered direct relationship. Okay, if the individual or respondent or student is taller, meaning okay, they tend to achieve okay longer also jump distances. On the other hand, if the individual student or respondent is shorter, okay, they tend okay to achieve shorter also okay jump distances. And since we considered a high correlation, okay, we can continue suggesting that height is strongly associated with long jump performance. So we have shown here, we have established, okay, the relationship first, okay, in our discussion because the causation, okay, later will be discussed in the linear regression. So after stating the implication, so we can proceed with the related literature and studies that will support, okay, the result of the study.